What does $500 get you in the Philippines? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be going over today. I'll be touring two properties and showing you exactly what you can get for $500. Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Floyd, and I decided to take the leap of faith and leave America for good and move to Southeast Asia, specifically the Philippines. I make content about lifestyle, restaurant recommendations, travel, and so much more. So if you've been thinking about traveling to the Philippines, or you've been thinking about moving to the Philippines and you want more information, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and drop me a like. I post videos like this every single week. I'm standing right now in Century City, which is located in Makati, and I've got two apartment tours or two condo tours lined up, so let's check it out. And towards the end of the video, I'll have information on how you can get in contact with these real estate agents. So if you are thinking about finding something in Makati, just stick around and we'll have that info for you right there and ready. But let's check out these units.
For this condo tour, nearly all of the units that we scheduled to tour this day were studios or studios with the partition, kind of giving it that one bedroom type of feel, which I notice is common in certain parts of the Metro Manila area. Most of the units that we looked at this day are furnished, usually coming with a refrigerator, microwave, bed, table, possibly a sofa. It took me a while to get warmed up to the idea of finding a furnished unit, but I can definitely see the benefits of moving somewhere where you don't have the burden of going out and shopping for your furniture. It can be convenient if the place is properly furnished. I wish at this time that they had more available units so we could have a contrast of what some of the larger units are like. But if you'd like me to visit this particular condo again and tour some of their larger units, maybe their 2 bedrooms, their 3 bedrooms, or some of their split floor plan style units. I believe in this condo they have a loft style. So if you'd like for me to tour these again, just let me know in the comment section, or if you know of any other condos in the Philippines that you'd like me to tour, or even if you're a real estate agent in the Philippines and you'd like me to tour and showcase your condo, let me know in the comment section below. Although the condo units were a tad bit on the smaller side, I was impressed by the amount of amenities that they had. The gym seemed to be a decent size. The pool area was pretty cool, but I like the fact that both of these condo buildings have a sauna, which is really unique. So I included this last and final condo, but it's very similar to the previous three. If you're interested in finding a condo in the Philippines and you need a great agent who can help you find the best deal, I dropped the links and information to the two agents that have helped me make my move and find my condo in the Philippines. You can reach out to them and they'll take care of you. But that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more condo tours, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to drop me a like if you enjoyed watching this. And if you have any other content that you'd like to see on this channel, just drop it in the comment section and I will make it happen.